You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. In English, it comes originally from French. French pronunciation is Ponceau. In French, there's no particular stress on any particular syllable. Know that E-A-U together forms the sound O in French, like eau, which means water. In English, the stress generally goes on the second syllable. Ponceau is pronounced in English, Ponceau in French, Ponceau, English pronunciation, Ponceau. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.